Okay, about a month ago, 8th of July, I started to rebuild this because of the gearbox started to jump out of gear pretty much. So anyway, it's just been rebuilt. It's taken about a month, mostly waiting for parts. It's a Yamaha R1 2003 model, Roadtrek C15 supercharger, 1080 big bore kit with forged J&E pistons. It's got Arrows steel racing conrods in there, H-beams, gas flowed head, Pico race fuel injectors. All that will take it pretty much to 230 horsepower. It's also got a Barnett SR3 uprated clutch and a 30 nitrous kit on it, 30 horsepower extra nitrous kit as well. So anyway, just rebuilt it. I'm about ready to fire it up. I've just checked all the fluids levels, everything's leveled out okay, so with a bit of luck it'll fire up no problem. So you can see the exhaust's been heat wrapped. That's to keep the heat away from the air filter rubbers, because they tend to melt pretty close to the exhaust. But there's the charge cooler all polished up, so it should be even more efficient now. And then just moving around, we'll have a look at the plenum, because that's pretty much a work of art. Okay, we'll be in leak test mode first. Got garage door open because the fumes are going to get quite high. But let's have a go.
On site first aid.
It's pressurised up all right. No leaks yet. No leaks. Sounds good as well.